everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Moonshine if you haven't been here before, and if you have, welcome back. Today I will be doing a little tutorial. This is out of my comfort zone, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but we will find out. I'm wearing purple because today we are featuring purple lips, and I really want to do like a very stark white eye. So that's the plan, but we will see how it turns out. I'm trying to make this look a little bit editorial, but like I said, I don't want to talk too much of a big game because we just don't know how this is going to turn out. So what I wanted to do is just start with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So we'll start with that. Oh, I don't know why, but it's not a natural smell, but I still enjoy the smell. Can anyone relate? Like, it smells a little hairspray, but like nicer. I don't know. What I really wanted to try is mix my NARS Coco Cabana. It's a liquid illuminator. Wanted to mix it with my Complexion Perfection CC Cream in Porcelain by Sports Girl. If you've got oily skin, do not wear this. The oil kind of comes out of it through the day. Even on me, it's oily, and I'm not oily. Today and yesterday, it has been cold, rainy, and windy. It's just been horrible. Like, why are you talking about the weather? But it's been gross. Like, over in the Northern Hemisphere, you're all getting into summer, and we're just getting grosser and grosser, and I see all these body oils and body shimmers coming out. I don't know, I just get a little bit jealous. Wow, I look like I was gonna say Tim the Toolman Taylor. I meant the Tin Man. Where is my head? I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I always forget to do them. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm using this in the shade medium brown, and it's a pomade. Okay, so I know I'm whizzing through these steps because it's not really the focus of the tutorial, but I still like to show everything. That's just how I like to do my videos. So certain things I'm gonna whiz through, and then other things I'm gonna talk about more, so just bear with me. But as you can see, my brows are a lot darker, but I kind of like them dark on certain days. That's why I like having different brow products for different moods, you know? I can never say that word without sounding weird. Contour, I say contour, contour, I don't know. Contour. I'm gonna use the Pro Conceal by LA Girl. What is this shade? I think it's called Warm Honey. That's it. So now we're going to, so I realized I haven't actually done my extra bridal videos. My plan was to do 4 and I've done 2. I haven't got married yet, so, and I want to buy, there's 2 products I want to buy to be able to do the last one I want to do is like my ultimate bridal look. So the one that I want to do on my actual wedding day. But I want that to be targeted as like a long-lasting all-day wear bridal video. So I just wanted to get the Skindinavia setting spray, the bridal one. And then I also wanted to get Dior bronzer for the fair shade because it swatches so beautifully. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to use the curved side. because I want the video to be true to what I actually want to do. I'm going pretty classic, but like a bit romantic Hollywood style. Oh, I forgot I gotta work quickly with this concealer because it does dry down. So I'm gonna use the Sephora smoothing and brightening powder. I'm just gonna use that in my T-zone where I used concealer. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Freedom Bronzed Professional. It's very gross and old, but it's really light. So it just gives a real subtle bronze to my face, which I really enjoy. Okay, our face is coming along. Trying to keep everything mauvey and purple. This is my NYX Ombre Blush, and this is in Mauve, this is in Mauve Fit. Mauve Me. Mauve Me. It's a beautiful color. Just here and a little bit up. I know this looks like a lot of blush, but blush disappears. So you always want to add a touch too much. Hold on, let me just see this in a bigger mirror. Maybe I have put too much on. Blend it, it's an emergency. All right, look, I've still got a lot of blush on, but we'll do. See, this side's nicer. I'm gonna be a little bit uneven today. Will we survive? Yeah, we'll survive. Just gonna get my, what do you call this? Sponge. Just see if I can mute this a little bit. It's a little bit better. Okay, so we've done our base makeup. Now it's just eyes and lips, which is the main event of the show. So for eyes, I am actually going to be using, and this is what has inspired this look, is a Maybelline lipstick, and it is number 889 Wildly Wicked. And it's pure white. Can you believe it? I can't believe I found this. I am going to just put this on like my whole eye. And then what I'm gonna do is use my Revolution Soph X palette. This is not the extra spice one. This is the more everyday one. And I'm gonna use this white. I have like no followers on YouTube, and you know, it happens. Everyone has a different journey. Some take longer than others. It's okay. But on Instagram, I'm also not massive on Instagram. Don't worry, I'm not trying to be like, I'm like really big on Instagram. But I am doing better, progressively better. I do love doing this so much. So it's not a chore. If it's a chore, you shouldn't be doing it. Okay, I feel like I'm adding too much now, so I'm just gonna leave that there and do the other side. Or should I just set it now? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get this little brush here, and I'm gonna go into white powder. White powder, the white eyeshadow, I should probably say. And try and set that before my eye creases. I wanna use my finger. I'm gonna see how the finger goes. Anyway. Back to my story. So on Instagram, I'm slowly growing. And what has actually really helped me is using Twitter and engaging in Twitter. It's how you can find other people in the beauty community and actually chat with them. And I didn't even know that was a thing. I was so behind the times. And I'm quite shy. I'm not someone that has a big opinion on the internet. So I think I added too much lipstick on this side because it's like, oh no. Why is it when beauty gurus do this, they never have this problem? Everything just works out. All right, I'm gonna start again. I used too much here. I'm okay on the outside, which tells me that it's me. I just dropped the lipstick on the floor and it went tip first. Look, oh no! Oh, I'm a mess. I'm a bloody mess. All right, I'm gonna use my finger. I'm using my other finger to blend it out. Oh, that's so much better than using a brush. Oh, I should have done this the first time. All right, I'm just gonna do the other eye now that I've got it on my finger. Anyway, so Instagram. I follow this makeup company, indie makeup company in America, and I really like her products. They're called Hey Glisten. And I actually found her, well, the owner is Giselle, that's why I keep saying her. I found her on Twitter, and I started following her because she's got a lot of good things to say. She's very positive. But she's also informative about makeup products. Yeah, I really like her. Anyway, so I started interacting, and then her products are gorgeous. It's all about glow and luminosity and glistening, obviously. It's called Hey Glisten. Started interacting because I really liked her vibe, and I was feeling a bit more confident in the beauty community. I feel like I had something to say. And then she started a search to become an affiliate. So you get like an affiliate code, you know. And I thought, I'm actually going to apply because I genuinely like her company, her products. So I applied and I freaking got chosen, which isn't like the biggest deal in the world, but it is for me because like I'm still quite small. And a company that you like has noticed you. That's really cool. That was my first company that's like reached out and said, hey, I like your work enough that I want you to be associated to my brand. You know what? This whole eye look is gonna be done with fingers. It's worked much better. So yeah, that happened. Anyway, I don't really apply for, I apply for the Anastasia Beverly Hills because they're just generally a great brand. But I don't apply for all these companies that, you know, PR search, just for the hell of it. I actually want to know the company and like the company. So I haven't applied for really any other than those two. So then she decides to do a PR search, and I was like, well, I might actually apply for this one because I like the products and it stands for what I stand for, and that is glow, glisten, luminosity, like enhancing natural beauty as I put on my white eyeshadow. So I applied for it and I didn't think I'd get it, to be honest with you, just because I've never had anything like that happen to me before. And I freaking got it. Me, I think I'm 1 of 14. And this company's doing pretty well. I think they have about 20,000 followers on Instagram. I've got this pencil. I'm gonna use this on my bottom line. This is a waterproof eyeliner by Prestige. I have no idea where I got this. So I'm just joined my first PR team, and we're like a team. We got our own chat on Twitter, and it's just lovely because everyone that she chose, she really took the time to find who she wants to be a part of her company. Not just the looks, but like your personality, how you represent yourself. And I completely agree with that. Especially on Twitter. People get wild on Twitter. I don't know what's happening to my eyes, but we're going with it. Okay, all right, let's do it. She is going to personalize what she sends to us based off of what our like vibe is, or like our aesthetic. And she is so sweet. She's gonna send me the Ivy highlighter because my daughter's name is Ivy. Just take a moment. If I haven't convinced you to go check out this company, I don't know what will. I'm going to use my Lash Princess Mascara by Essence. Okay, so the eyelashes that I want to use are by Daiso. These are the number B03. And I picked these ones. I've been waiting to use these ones because they're very twiggy, in my opinion. Okay, so now we've done the eyes, and I love my eyes so much. Like, I literally want to go out one night with eyes like this. I feel like a doll, a literal doll. I'm actually going to set my face. I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish. Let's go. I've almost finished this bottle. Now, the colors that I have, I've got two colors that I wanted to mix. So, oh, that's the white. I've got Lilac Flush and Sapphire Siren. And here's what they look like. And I thought the dark on the outside and the lilac on the inside would look beautiful. So I do have a lip liner. It's not a crazy good exact color, but it is a mauve, and I just need something. I'm gonna do it very lightly. And then I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna use the tip side to do the outside. Oh my God, this comes off like violet, purple, blue. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And then I'm gonna use this in the middle, and then I'm gonna try and blend it. Wow, this is a lot sheerer than I thought. Oh, I am loving myself sick right now. Girl! I was gonna do my hair, but now my friend's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. So I don't think I'm gonna do my hair. All I was gonna do was just like clip. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love it. Like, I think I look pretty decent. Like, I look a little bit crazy, but like, I really enjoy the level of crazy. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, please. I beg you. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.